Hello guys, so me I no go fit use correct English they do this voice cover because as I dey now me I just dey vex. You see all these people when they come online come they show say Saturday they do their hair, Saturday they install their frontal. My dear, they not go make heaven they be liar. Today I won't go church, I won't go my papa house. Now I can say make I install my frontal so that I go look beautiful for my papa. Now I start to dey do as I see am for TikTok or as I stay dey see am for YouTube short video. Na so I come carry my stock pant come put am for hair, come dey cut am, dey cut am, dey cut am. I come and put like that o. Just the way me take see am for TikTok and Instagram and all those their video wey dey for dey live. Now I start to dey do am according to wetin I see. I rule. I see am say the thing no dey enter. Na dis point now I come discover say warranty upon warranty says the teacher, all is warranty. Now I say, God, please forgive me as I dey go your house. So as I dey go your house, so me not supposed to do this thing for my aid. Now so I can say, okay, if now so make I continue to dey go. Make I continue to dey see. If say I go fit see some success. As I dey roll, now so I could dey cut my head dey go. See now yeah I for know say, hey, I don't fuck up. Of course I don't fuck up. Now so I can say, okay, if now so since I don already fuck up, make I continue. They do the A they go. I can't do everything the way Misty stays yam. For this point I no give up but I can't know say God don already talk am say this hey me no go carry am go church the way I plan now. Now so I can't use melty spray. They say if you use the melty spray, it go mint the lesion your skull. But me no dey see any mate when they think they mint my age or my skull. I can't say okay now so make I stay continue, make I not give up. Now I can't use my candle yak stick they collect the hair come down. As I dey be the hair come down, I can use my hot comb they say make a flat and come green. But you know they flat the way I talk this hair way me they tell you so now big hair. Now 100% human hair now 75,000 naira now I take buy this hair. It pain me say everything when I watch for TikTok and YouTube, it not be waiting a day for real life. I can't say since I don't already feel for that side, make I use oil take rubber. Can't use my stretcher, take the stretcher. I stretch it no work. Now I say make I leave and make I do my makeup because time they go. I no want let go my papa house because I say be so it be like say I don't already fuck up. I call say when I start to dey go my papa house since he say for him house there are plenty mansion. Say even they whine me, info don't tell me. Now so I enter my papa house but me no couldn't dey happy. As I finish from church now I come back now so I come out the hay. Because why head go be like this? Why head go be like this? All these TikTokers, why head go be like this? Why not go they lie? Eh?